Welcome to our channel. If you want to disable AirDrop notifications on your device while using the PayPal app, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your notification and sharing settings. Step 1. Understand that AirDrop is an iOS and macOS feature separate from the PayPal app, so you'll manage this in your device settings, not within PayPal. Step 2. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 3. Tap on General to access general device settings. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on AirDrop to access sharing settings. Step 5. Select your preferred AirDrop setting. Receiving off to completely disable AirDrop. Contacts only to allow only your contacts to share with you, or everyone to allow anyone nearby to send you content. Step 6. Choose Receiving Off to prevent any AirDrop notifications while using PayPal or any other app. Step 7. If you prefer to keep AirDrop enabled but reduce interruptions, select Contacts Only instead. Step 8. To disable notifications from the PayPal app specifically, go back to Main Settings, scroll to PayPal, and tap on it. Step 9. Tap Notifications and adjust notification preferences for the PayPal app, toggling off notification types you don't want to receive. Step 10. Exit settings and your AirDrop and PayPal notification preferences are now updated according to your choices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.